What if I told you that planning your next vacation might soon involve packing for zero gravity, choosing between a window seat with a view of Earth or the vast expanse of space, and booking a room in an orbital hotel? Welcome to the era of space tourism, where your vacation plans are about to become truly out of this world. Before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in futuristic technology. Your journey to the stars begins now. Space tourism isn't just a far-off dream. It's happening sooner than you might think. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are spearheading this cosmic revolution, making space travel more accessible to everyday people. But how exactly do you prepare for your first space vacation? Let's explore every aspect in detail, from the logistics and training to the unique experiences awaiting you in orbit. First, let's talk about the logistics. Traveling to space is not as simple as booking a flight to another country. It's a meticulously planned and coordinated endeavor. The first step in securing your space vacation is booking your seat. Currently, companies like Blue Origin offer suborbital flights that provide a few minutes of weightlessness and a breathtaking view of Earth from space. Virgin Galactic also offers similar suborbital experiences, with their Spaceship 2 designed to take passengers to the edge of space. SpaceX, on the other hand, is preparing for more extended orbital missions, including private trips around the moon. Once you've booked your seat, the next step is undergoing medical screening. Space travel exerts significant stress on the human body, so a comprehensive health check is necessary to ensure you are fit to endure the journey. This screening process is similar to the medical examinations undergone by professional astronauts, including cardiovascular assessments, bone density scans, and psychological evaluations. After passing the medical screening, you'll need to undergo training. This training is designed to prepare you physically and mentally for the rigors of space travel. It typically includes sessions in high-G simulators to acclimate you to the intense acceleration forces experienced during launch and re-entry. You will also spend time in a neutral buoyancy pool, which simulates the sensation of weightlessness, allowing you to practice moving and working in a microgravity environment. In addition to physical training, you'll receive comprehensive safety briefings and emergency procedure drills. Spacecraft are designed with numerous safety measures, but knowing how to respond in an emergency is crucial. This training ensures that you can remain calm and take appropriate action in the unlikely event of a contingency. With your training complete, it's time to prepare for the actual trip. Packing for a space vacation is a unique experience. Unlike terrestrial vacations, where you might pack casual clothing, swimsuits, and hiking boots, space travel requires specialized gear. Space tourism companies usually provide a custom-fitted flight suit designed for comfort and safety in a microgravity environment. These suits are equipped with multiple layers to regulate temperature and are made from fire-resistant material. You'll also need to pack personal items, but space is limited and weight constraints are strict. Essentials like toiletries and medication are necessary, but you can also bring a few personal mementos like photos or small keepsakes. However, electronic devices must be space certified to ensure they do not interfere with the spacecraft systems. Now, let's discuss the journey itself. Imagine the thrill of strapping into your seat, feeling the rumble of the engines as they ignite, and the sheer force pressing you back as the spacecraft ascend. The acceleration is intense, but after a few minutes, the engines cut off and you experience the magic of weightlessness. Floating freely, you can look out the window and see the curvature of the Earth against the blackness of space. It's a view unlike any other, a humbling and awe-inspiring sight that puts the vastness of the universe into perspective. Once in orbit, depending on the type of mission, your schedule may include various activity. For suborbital flights, passengers typically spend a few minutes in microgravity before descending back to Earth. During this time, you can unbuckle and float around the cabin, perform somersaults, or simply enjoy the sensation of weightlessness. The return journey is just as thrilling, with the spacecraft re-entering the atmosphere and gliding back to the landing site. For longer orbital missions, such as those planned by SpaceX, the experience is more extensive. You might spend several days aboard the spacecraft, conducting experiments, observing Earth from space, and interacting with the crew. These missions offer a deeper immersion into the space environment and a chance to contribute to scientific research. One of the most anticipated aspects of space tourism is the potential for stays in orbital hotels. Companies like Axiom Space and Bigelow Aerospace are developing space habitats designed for tourists. These orbital hotels will provide a more comfortable and extended stay, with private rooms, communal areas, and breathtaking views of Earth through large windows. Guests can experience life in space with activities ranging from spacewalks to virtual reality experiences that simulate exploring other planets. But what about the food? Space cuisine has come a long way since the early days of astronaut meal. Today's space travelers can enjoy a variety of tasty and nutritious meals designed to meet the unique challenges of eating in microgravity. Companies are partnering with top chefs to create gourmet menus that can be enjoyed in space, ensuring that your culinary experience is as memorable as the trip itself. While the cost of space tourism is currently high, with tickets priced in the hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars, the industry is rapidly evolving. As technology advances and economies of scale come into play, the cost of space travel is expected to decrease, making it more accessible to a broader audience. Companies are exploring different pricing models, including installment plans and contests, to make space vacations a reality for more people. The impact of space tourism extends beyond the individual experience. It has the potential to drive significant advancements in technology and infrastructure. The demand for space travel will spur innovation in propulsion systems, materials science, and life support systems, benefiting not only space tourism, but also other sectors like satellite communications and planetary exploration. Moreover, space tourism can foster a greater appreciation for our planet. Seeing Earth from space, with its delicate atmosphere and interconnected systems, can instill a sense of environmental stewardship and global unity. Many astronauts describe a profound shift in perspective, known as the overview effect, which can inspire efforts to protect our planet and address global challenges. In conclusion, preparing for your first space vacation involves meticulous planning, rigorous training, and a sense of adventure. The journey to space is an extraordinary experience that offers unparalleled views, weightlessness, and the opportunity to stay in an orbital hotel. As the space tourism industry continues to grow, it promises to make space travel accessible to more people, driving technological advancements and fostering a greater appreciation for our planet. So start dreaming about your space vacation and get ready to embark on the ultimate adventure. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the exciting world of space tourism. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in futuristic technology. We would love to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. Are you ready to take your next vacation to the stars? Let us know, and until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big.